Match your interests to careers with Edge Factor. Discover your strengths through online assessments and gamified tools. Identify your interests and start your personalized journey. Make informed decisions about your future through interactive activities and cinematic career media, giving you insights into career pathways in every industry. Explore the skills you need to succeed, such as ethics, employability skills, financial literacy, and more. As you plan and prepare for your future career, you'll learn about safety, tools, equipment, and how STEAM concepts come to life. Connect to opportunities in your community as you explore training programs in local schools and discover companies in your neighborhood, only at Edge Factor. Log in or create your account today.